Oh! Oh, whoop, hold on. Forgot what was going on here. Hi! Hi. Sorry for being so rude. Welcome to the channel. I am SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. And directly below that is my website, sbmitch.com, because that's easier. That's where you can find most of the shoes that are for sale that I pull out of beater boxes and some other things too. Hi, pals. Hey, I want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor of this video, Reshoevn8r. Look at this. This is the brand new laundry pods that they offer. The laundry pods come in a pack of 18 now. It's a lot easier to use. You just toss it into the laundry machine, washer, I guess that's what they're called. Remember those creams that I was showing you on, what was it, Monday? But I put them through the laundry system just to make sure that they were super clean and odor-free. Here's how that went.
So I'm going to do this in one take. Look, it's the laundry pods. You take the laundry pods. You also have the laundry bag. That's the bag that you put the shoes in. So you actually open up the bag and then you put the shoes inside of it like that. And as you can see that there's the shoe tree in there to keep shape while you're putting it in the laundry machine or the washer, whatever you call it. And then you could also put in the insole. You want that to be clean too. Also don't forget the shoelaces. The shoelaces can go in the bag too because you want those to be clean as well. So then you grab your laundry pod. It's in this little bag here. Sorry for the grab one of these here and see there's the liquid inside of the pod, and you shake it up. It doesn't really do anything, but it's nice. You just put it into, you can put it into the little bag there. I think that's pretty cool. I think it's a nice little pocket. You put it in there. You can also just put it inside of the washing machine if you want to, but hey, that's up to you. I'm not here to tell you how to live your life, but you can close that there and you have your shoes inside of there. You also want to lock the thing, because if you don't lock it up, then the shoes could fly out and you'd have an easy tornado in your creepy basement. So lock the side up too, so nothing flies around and everything stays in one spot. You walk over to your washing machine, laundry machine, whatever you call it. Throw it in there. Also want to make sure that you close the lid so you don't have a mess. And also you got to change the water from hot to cold. If it's on hot, you always use cold water, and you let it go through one cycle, and you come back down, and then you pull it out of your actual washer or laundry machine, whatever you want to call it, and you bring it upstairs to your apartment, and you look at it and you see, wow, this is so clean. I can't believe this. And you also want to look at the bottom, see how clean it is, and then also you want to make sure that you grab the shoelaces out, because that's part of the whole thing too. And then everything looks great. It looks brand new. It looks almost dead stock. That's a word I just learned. So then we'll do a tight slow-mo thing, and look at that. They look brand new. That's so good. Thanks for listening, and I hope you enjoyed my narration of this weird video.
Yeah, it's just a lot easier. That's just all there is to it. The detergent smell is very, very nice, I will say that. And those creams turned out really, really good, as you can see. These things, they look new. I mean, aside from a little bit of wear on the bottom, these look brand new and they smell really good, which is really weird to say because it's something that goes on a human foot. If you want to check out the laundry pods and the laundry system or any of the other awesome Reshoevn8r products that they offer, go down below, find my referral link, or go to reshoevn8r.com and check out everything they have. And they now offer free shipping and free returns, which is really, really awesome. It just makes your purchase from Reshoevn8r that much more anxiety-free, I guess you could say. Reshoevn8r.com. My referral link is in the video description. Check it out. Hey, remember on Monday how I said I was running out of ideas for videos? So I did a top 5 video. Here's the top 4 video. That's right, we're talking about the top 4 Nike SB releases that have been kind of announced, I guess you could say, that I'm really looking forward to, and also that I'm aware of. I would have done a top 5 list, but I don't know of 5 that I'm looking forward to. So here's your list. GRs have been greatly improved since James Arizumi came back on with Nike SB. I mean, the GRs that we've seen so far this year, there's the Blue Fury, the Muslin Dunks. I think the Truckets were GRs even last year. I mean, we saw a general release of the corduroy Dusty Peach Johns. And these are awesome. The GRs that I'm actually aware of right now, there's this Dunk High that's I think inspired by the Cigar City pack. There's this Lakers influenced. I think it's called Laser Orange, but I don't know why because it looks yellow to me. Colorway of a Dunk Low that I'm sure is just going to be great. But aside from the fact that SB Dunks are like super hyped up right now, they're actually putting out some really nice general releases. So that's kind of why I would say number 4 is like the umbrella statement of all the GRs that are coming out. I'm really interested to see what comes out in the near future too. These are sleepers to me. So last year, Kevin Bradley and Nike SB released a Dunk High Zoom, I think. This all-white colorway with a red outsole, and it has a tearaway paint, and you can see that little palm tree on the back of it. So Nike SB and Kevin Bradley are at it again, and this collaboration is very, very good in my opinion. It's a blazer mid and a blazer low. The blazer mid I'm not super hot on because it's mostly red. It's all red suede with a black swoosh. It's just not really something that catches my eye, and it kind of reminds me of those Dunk Highs that are like all red with the black swoosh. Just not really my thing, but still nice. But these blazer lows are crazy awesome in my opinion. I love the color blocking. I love how it's got a white vamp and that little black accent on the toe cap. But this pack is called Kevin in Hell. The blazer mid represents hell, I guess you could say, and the blazer low represents heaven. Man, I really hope I can get the blazer low. I just think it's such a fun looking collab. I'm really looking forward to those lows. This 2-pair Nike SB and Kevin Bradley pack is supposedly releasing in June of 2020. Dodoy, everybody's talking about this release. This is a release collaborating with famous ice cream Ben & Jerry's on the Chunky Dunky. These first leaked, I want to say about a month ago via a whole bunch of people. I saw them first from my buddy Matty. This is like late 2000s Nike SB fun. Like, I mean, just look at this shoe. It's kind of awesome. I mean, there's this blue, there's this cow print. I mean, obviously it pulls inspiration from Chunky Monkey ice cream, which is, you know, when you have a food collaboration with a shoe, it's gonna be fun. But I just think the execution on this is very, very well done. The only thing I'm really kind of worried about is the tongue. The tongue looks like it won't be flexible, and for people with high arches like me, that's not very comfortable, but still, I will be trying very hard to get that release. These are slated for a summer 2020 release, so that's kind of a general statement, but, you know, with everything going on, it could change. If this ain't the most number 1 on a list like this, then I don't know what's happening. Pictures of this Nike SB Dunk Low surfaced, I want to say like a month ago, and as soon as I saw it, I pretty much melted. One of my favorite shoes of all time is the Atmos Air Max 1 elephant print, and I mean, they knocked it out of the park with this. If this is like the actual official image, holy cow. I mean, I personally know how much I love the Safari Dunk Low Pro SB because anytime you take an Air Max 1 and a Nike SB release and put them together, I'm gonna like it, and that's just all there is to it. This is definitely gonna be the same. Supposedly they're releasing in November 2020. We'll see what happens because of everything going on right now, as I said before. So there you have it. There's the top 4 Nike SB releases, kind of, that I'm looking forward to this year. What are you looking forward to? Go down below in the comments and let me know. I know the Strawberry Coughs got delayed. I'm just not a huge fan of highs. That's not to say that they're not a cool release. It's just something I'm not personally looking forward to. Want to give a huge shout out and a big thank you to Reshoevn8r for sponsoring this video. Remember, if you want to check out any of the new Reshoevn8r products, go down below into the video description and find my referral link and go through there. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Like, if these videos are stupid, tell me they're stupid. Throw a dislike up there. If you like them, I just spit all over my floor. If you like them, then let me know and like this video because I'm having a pretty okay time doing these videos. And if you guys actually like these videos, I'll put more time and effort into them because these are kind of just haphazardly being put together. I won't lie. Tomorrow is Beater Box Friday. I have a $775 Beater Box that is very good, and most of it has already sold already because I've had it for a number of weeks. So it's still gonna be a good video. Maybe I'll sneak a fun intro in there too. So till tomorrow, take care of each other and remember to make it fun because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Toodly-doo.